Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the requests library for your Python in Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the requests library, then it is a library for making HTTP requests. It provides an easy to use interface that makes working with HTTP very simple, which means it simplifies the process of sending and receiving data from websites by providing a uniform interface for both get and post methods. So let's dive into the installation phase. So in order to install this library, you need to head on to the terminal of your VS Code and type in the following command, which is pip install requests. So that means we will be using the pip or the pip module to install this particular library. Once you have typed in the command, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. So currently in my case here you can see that it says that the requirement is already satisfied. So that means that the requests library is already present into my system. But in your case, it might download and install the packages after collecting them, and then you will see the message that the library has been successfully installed. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.